Good morning all. In today's class of marketing, I will discuss unit 2, that is price decision. Correct the spelling DECISION. Then here is unit title price. Afterwards we can see here are 3 sessions, session 1, 2, 3. Session 1 is meaning and importance of price. Session 2, factors affecting pricing. Session 3, types of pricing. So today I will start unit 2 and session 1, meaning and importance of price. Here it is written. Here are some learning objectives of this unit. So I will start from here, session 1, meaning and importance of price. So first of all, we must know price. In general sense, we can say selling amount of any product is price. We can say price is the selling amount of any product. As we know, cost is the producing amount of any product. So price is the selling amount of any product. For example, we have made a product in rupees 10 and we are selling that product into rupees 12. So rupees 10 is the cost of that product, rupees 12 is the price of that product, and rupees 2 we got as a profit. So rupees 2 is the profit of that product. So price is always selling amount of any product. Same is written over here. Price is one of the most important elements of the marketing mix. Yes, as we know, marketing mix is the combination of marketing elements like product, price, place, promotion. So out of 4, price is one of the most important elements of marketing mix. This is the only element which generates revenue for organization. Revenue means after sale profit. So price is the only element out of these 4, product, price, place, promotion. Out of 4, price is the only element which generates revenue or after sale profit for an organization and determines its growth. Okay, price is responsible for company's growth. The other 3 main elements are product, place, promotion. Okay, price is also 4th element. A firm incurs certain cost, means various costs are included for making any product. So we must take care of price while selling a product. Here something in the last statement, second last statement, you can see right price denotes the level of price which can cover all these expenditure. Means जितनी भी cost incur हो रही है, total expenditure you can cover with the help of right price on the final product and bring some profit, because every businessman or marketer wants profit. So let's study meaning of price. It's important one. Meaning of price, also definition of price. Meaning of price means, as I have told, you can also write the same definition, same meaning. Price is the selling amount of any product, or we can say the term price denotes money value of a product. You can also write this. Price is the money value of any product. It represents the amount of money that customers pay to the sellers to gain benefits of having or using a good or service. You can also write price is the amount of money or money value of a product. In fact, it is marketer's assessment of the value customers see in the product. So price indicates the money value. Okay, remember it. Price is the money value, or we can say selling amount, which a buyer is ready to exchange for purchase of certain goods or service. Now study the definition of price. Here also writer is same as I told you in unit 1. Philip Kotler, he is very important writer for marketing. He also has given a book for marketing by his name, Philip Kotler. So here is the definition of price. Definition of price according to Philip Kotler is, just remember it, very important. Price is the amount of money charged for a product or service. Simple. What does Philip Kotler says? What does Philip Kotler say? Price is the amount of money. Price is the amount of money charged for a product or service. Simple. Price क्या है? Price is the amount of money charged for a product or service. Okay? वो पैसा जो आप किसी भी product or service के बदले में charge करते हो, that's amount of money, it's called price. Just remember this one definition at least. No need to learn other definitions. Philip Kotler himself is sufficient. Just learn this one line, one statement definition. Okay? Now we will do next thing. Price is the key variable in a firm's marketing plan. Key means important variable. While setting prices for its product, that is goods or services, the business takes into account various aspects of production. Means when we set price for any product like goods or services, we will have to see many aspects, means areas. Like here 5 things are given. These are price of raw material, cost of manufacturing, market condition, competition in the market, brand and quality of product. These 5 things we will take into knowledge before deciding price of any goods or services. First, price of raw material. As we know, every product we produce by or with the help of raw material. So if raw material is very much costly, it is having so much price, then automatically we will set high price for our total finished product. If raw material is cheap, means less costly, we will set low price for our final or finished product. For example, sugar cane to sugar. We are producing sugar from sugar cane. So here sugar cane is the raw material and sugar is the finished good. If sugar cane is costly, having so much price, then automatically price of sugar will be high. Similarly, if sugar cane is cheap, then price of sugar will also be less. Okay, means according to price of raw material, we will set our price of product high or low. Second, cost of manufacturing. Yes, if cost is high, automatically you will put price high. If cost is less, you will put price low. Simple. There will be many costs. As written over here, the cost include wages of labor, expense of power, other overhead. Means जितनी भी total cost है, if it is much, you will set price high. If cost is less, you will set price low. Market condition. Yes, it is also similar. If there are so much competitors in the market, then you can't keep your price high because you will lose customers. If there are less competition in market, means it is monopoly, then you can set your price high. So according to market condition, price also can be low or high. Simple. If there is so much competition, means your product has so many customers, so many competitors, means same product is manufactured by many firms. Okay, so you will have to set price according to market. You will have to be market conscious. Okay, so you will have to keep your price competitive. But if you are in monopoly state, means only you are producing that product, you can keep the price high. Next, market condition. Okay, sorry, this point has been wrong. I had discussed competition in the market. If competition is more, you will set price low or competitive according to market condition. But if competition is low, because if you are monopoly, you can keep your price high. Now market condition is different. Market condition means if demand of your good or service is high. अगर आपका प्रोडक्ट ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा डिमांड में है, then you will set the price high. Similarly, if demand for your good or service is losing, you are not getting customers, then you will keep it less. So according to market condition also, if demand is high, price will be high. If demand is less, price will be low. Similarly, competition. If competition is more, price will be low. If competition is less, price can be high. Next, brand and quality of product. Some examples are also given. Market condition means automobile companies. Means कोई भी कार मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनी है, it will set high price on high demand. Similarly, on low demand, it can offer discount. Competition in the market. Example is here. Airtel initially kept high prices for mobile service, but with entry of Vodafone Idea, it is now VI. It is merged. Vodafone and Idea both are merged with each other. VI and Reliance Jio. जब भी ये आए, entry of Vodafone Idea, Reliance Jio, the prices of for various mobile services have been slashed. Slash means decrease. Similarly, brand and quality of product. If your product is very much costly, if your product is very much branded and having good quality, yes, price will automatically increase. If it is low quality product, then price can be low. Here one example is also given. Chandni Chowk market of Delhi. Means वहाँ पे jewelry store है. A simple jewelry store in Chandni Chowk market of Delhi will set price of ornament. Ornaments means jewelry again. So they will set the price according to their gold and silver. Also making charges also. But The very popular branded companies having good qualities like Kalyan Jewelers or Tanishq will always set higher price because their quality and brand is so much. So there can be price can be high or low according to price of raw material, according to cost of manufacturing, according to market condition, according to competition in market, according to brand and quality of product. So in the last we can say price must be supporting other elements of the marketing mix. Means price must support product, place, promotion. Too high or too low. ना तो price बहुत ज़्यादा होना चाहिए so that you can lose your customer, और प्राइस बहुत लो भी नहीं होना चाहिए so that you will be unable to cover your cost. Means price neither should be too high nor should be too low. So too high or too low pricing of product could mean lost sales for organization and profit also. So pricing must be with care. Due care must be taken while deciding or setting any price. Price must be according to conditions of raw material, cost of manufacturing, market condition, competition, brand quality. Means everything you will have to take into your knowledge before deciding the price. It should not be too much, it should not be too less. Okay, so this is the meaning, definition and some aspects while deciding pricing of any product. Next I will discuss in other videos. Just learn it. Very important topic here. Next I will discuss later. Thanks for listening.